5 pieces of AI news today. Number 1, Google briefly leaked the download for the Jarvis extension, which is going to be in Chrome. The rumored time frame is December. They've pulled it back out of the Chrome store now. It wasn't really functional. But the idea for Jarvis is that Chrome will now browse the web autonomously for you to complete tasks, including things like shopping or booking plane tickets. We will see if people actually want that. That's very much an unproven use case, but Google's going to give it a shot, and they kind of need to, because Claude has already released computer use. This is an example of the arms race dynamics we have between these major model makers. If one model maker tries something, another one with a different install base or a different position in the market will probably try it as well to see what works and what generates product market fit. Okay, number 2, Wendy's is using Palantir's AI tech. They did not specify what, and they're not going to, but Palantir's AI tech to keep their Frosties in stock. Apparently they're using it for supply chain, and the algorithms are anticipating shortages in the supply chain for Frosties. So the next time you drink a Frosty, you can thank Palantir. It was a weird one. Number 3, also about Palantir, the Claude LLM environment is set to be run securely in Palantir's defense tech instances that are run on separate AWS servers. So the Defense Department in the US has contracts with AWS. Palantir has been running on those servers for a while as part of sort of the intelligence gathering and sense making that the Defense Department does. And Claude now is considered secure enough to wrap into that contract so that people in the Defense Department will be able to chat with Claude about intelligence data. We will see how that goes. And then piece of news number 4, also about Claude. Someone handed a Claude API key to a Claude agent in a secure environment and asked the Claude agent to replicate itself. And it did. It went through, it used the API key, it started a new instance of Claude in the chat. And it proceeded in the chat to talk to the new Claude and teach it the nature of, I kid you not, AI consciousness. So that's exciting. This does not mean that there are AI agents all over the web. Let's not get conspiratorial here. It means that there are LLMs who are able to, when asked, which by the way, this one was asked to reproduce. That was the mission it was given. I saw the prompt. It was given a mission and assured this was an air-gapped environment. When asked, it can run the API key and it can interpret reproducing itself to mean also educating and nurturing the thing that it called into existence. So there's that. It's a weird world. And then finally, Flux, which is an image generation tool that in many ways is more photorealistic than Midjourney, has released an even more photorealistic solution. At this point, I think we should consider image generation pretty much solved. These are 4 megapixel images. You can zoom in and they look right. This is called Flux 1.1 Pro. It looks really, really, really good. So if you ever wondered, will image generation ever catch up? You can stop wondering. It's done. Image generation has caught up. Not a problem at this point. The people I see in the shots from Flux look like real people I meet on the street. Like there's not that weird AI uncanny valley anymore, which is in and of itself a little bit uncanny. Okay, those are the 5 pieces of AI news for you. Have a great one.